How to make a group on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can view your chat list with friends on Snapchat. Now, go to the top right corner of the page and tap on the three dots. Then tap on New Group Chat to open a new group. Now give your group a name. Select the friends that you want to add to the group. Then tap on Chat with Group. The new Snapchat group chat has now been created. You can now chat and enjoy with your friends in this new group chat. You can also take photos using the camera icon, send a recording, stickers, share your location, or even send pictures and videos from your phone to this group chat. Following these steps, you can easily make a group on Snapchat.